Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here on this 12th day of June. My pleasure to be here. Tiger Financial News Network update at noon. I am the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour. To be coming up straight after this update. And the Dow is up 477 at 25,611. Yesterday, we had almost a 2,000 point decline. Now, what's really important about that is that we came off with what's called an island reversal. See, this is the body of land. You had these little 4 bars that were up in the air, and then a gap down below that, past the gap of the left side high that started that little gap to the upside. So what we're looking at here is it's really important that this trend line, this pink uptrend line, and the Chapman wave inside track propellant area, buy area, holds, because if this goes underneath 25,082 was the low yesterday. We're at 25,612. We're at 27,580 just 5 days ago. So it's very important over the next 3 days that this 25,000 level holds. It's starting to trade in the 24,700s. I actually think that that's a potential target over the next week, but starting to break under that says you're going to get there quicker. I think we've got a kind of an H pattern that should unfold. We've already hit the 14-period moving average in the Dow. The green line, 25,000. No, that's 26,126 would be the next resistance. I'll talk about that in terms of the S&P right now, because a lot of you follow the S&P. S&P is up 45 at 3,047. Got smashed yesterday, tested the 3,000 level. So this is good action. But here again, it's really important that the low of yesterday's day, if you start to see a trade below 29,900, 22,990, yes, 2,990. You'll see the 29.62 200-period moving average could become a target. But actually, I think there's that VIX index yesterday, we were speaking about during my show, that VIX index screamed. Can you believe it went from the 25s to almost 44 points yesterday in one day, and today's gone even higher. It went to 44.16 today. So I think that that's kind of overdone on the hysteria side, the nervous side. I think there's more of a bounce to come. I'll talk a lot more about it in my show coming up. I want to talk about weekly charts in the Dow and in the S&P, in the Qs and in the IWM. Really important. I'll be back in a few minutes.